Hello students, welcome back to History Online Learning. Standard 9, Subject History, Chapter 4, Economic Development, Module 1. Students, I hope you may recollect that in Chapter 2, we had come across terms like Planning Commission, industrialization, various policies and programs to alleviate poverty made by the government, nationalization of banks, etc. Right from the time of independence, the modernization of the economy, economic self-sufficiency, and social justice have been the characteristics of the Indian economy. In this chapter, we shall study how India's economic policies changed with changing times, as well as the impact of economic reforms that came in the wake of globalization. Post-independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru proposed the idea of a mixed economy for India, rather than adopting capitalism or socialism. Let us understand the difference between the three. In a capitalist system, the means of production are privately owned. In a socialist system, the means of production are owned by the state in the name of the society. A mixed economy works both in the private as well as the public sector. This system aims at maximization of production and popular participation on a large scale. A mixed economy cannot ignore profit motive, entrepreneurship, discipline, time-bound planning, etc. Industries like defense, scientific research, education, roads, railways, waterways, airways, development are taken care of by the government, as these industries require a huge capital investment. Thus, a mixed economy also naturally tends to give priority to national interest and long-term development. The idea of active government participation in the process of industrial development had taken strong roots in India by the time of its independence. The industrial system of an economy can be broadly classified on the basis of ownership into three subsystems. Firstly, the public sector, comprising industrial enterprises predominantly owned, controlled, and managed by the state. Example, the defense sector. Secondly, the private sector, comprising privately owned and managed industrial undertakings. Example, consumer goods. Thirdly, the joint sector in which the industrial units are owned and managed jointly by the state and private individuals. This joint sector is also called as PPP, that is, the public-private partnership. In this way, India adopted the mixed economy model and five-year plans and started off on its path of development. The industrial policy of 1973 increased the speed of development even in the small scale and cottage industries as well as the cooperative sector. That's all for today, students. In the next module, we shall study what are the 5-year plans and why was it necessary to establish a planning commission. Refer to the Word document attached below. Thank you.